Hey there, just a quick one today. So, if you find you've got what you think is faulty memory, such as we have here, as you can see, this has been running for a whole 4 minutes and 31 seconds, and already we've got several memory problems. Just try this one before you go throwing your memory in the bin. Before you go assuming that it is the memory, just consider the fact that it may be the connection between the memory and the motherboard, or dirt, debris. I mean, look, you've got airflow going right into the memory slot, so it's not immune from getting dirty and dusty and greasy. So I'm going to show you what I do as soon as I come up with memory faults. First of all, power off, and we're going to remove our stick of RAM. This is a really bad design memory slot, so these things don't unclip. You gotta kind of just carefully slide it out. Ooh, I hate that. So what we're going to do is clean the memory slot and the memory stick. And the way we're going to do that is with some of this cleaning card material. So it's going to slice a little piece like this, fold it in half. So this is like a fabric coated plastic. I use it at work for cleaning industrial equipment, so I'm not actually sure where you'd buy it from. You could use like a card reader cleaner that they use for FPOS machines or ATMs. You can buy those online, but this is like a lot thinner. As you can see there, it's very thin. So we're going to spray that with some contact cleaner. You could use isopropyl if you really want to. Make sure you absolutely drown it. And we're going to get our slot. See there, and just gently massage the pins. And we're going to go this way. Do not go that way because you'll damage the pins. So force that in, jiggle it up and down, just 3 or 4 times in each spot. So I'm just going in and down. Do not go that way, whatever you do. So just push it in, jiggle it in a few times. There's not really a lot of dirt coming off, but you won't necessarily see much. Then get the same piece of card and spray the inside with cleaner. And we're going to polish those gold pins by gently running the inside edge of that along the gold. Beautiful, look at that. That's clean as. And just get a bit of air, get rid of any residue, which that electrical cleaner is really good. It dries a lot faster than isopropyl, so you probably don't need to use air. Then we're going to reinstall our RAM into the same slot. Just make sure it's seated properly. There's a trick that I use. Now this may not be so much applicable anymore, but back in the days of SD RAM, the pins in the center wouldn't quite make contact, so you just get a small screwdriver and just give some gentle taps, just to make sure all those pins are making good contact. Alright, now we're going to fire our test machine up again. Where's the power button? Right here. There we go. Alright, we're going to go down to back into mem test and let that cook for a while, and we'll see if we get any errors this time around. Okay, so that's exactly 3 hours 16 later, and we have no errors. So before you go throwing away your RAM or your motherboard, clean those slots and give that a chance first. So you're probably wondering where I got this stuff from. Oop. So this is just like it's a cleaning card. You use it on like commercial equipment, like card readers, cash handling equipment and so forth. So it's like a thin plastic card covered in like a felt that doesn't really come off. It's like stuck on there. So I was thinking, you can't exactly buy this stuff. An alternate would be to use manila folder. It's about the same thickness as manila folder, and you can get the same effect. You have to be a little bit more careful that it doesn't fall apart as you do it. You can also use it for PCI Express slots, which I've used it for before. Clean it in and out. Oop, caught my finger on the fan there. Jiggle it in and down, up and down. So yeah, same thing if you're having trouble with connections on your PCI Express slots or strange behaviour. Yeah, just keep cleaning it a go first. And yeah, manila folder, isopropyl alcohol, or contact cleaner. So yeah, hopefully this is some help. And yeah, I'll catch you next video. Catch you later.